So it's definitely warm outside today, but it's also sort of volatile. You know, we've got this cold front that's got across. It is the same storm that brought all that really nasty severe weather back across the northern, the central, the southern plains, and then now into the Midwest. So what basically has to happen for us is a cold front needs to get through and make its clearance. So that's going to take the rest of the day basically. And up until that point, it's just kind of a funky day where you have either changing cloud cover or a shower or a thunderstorm coming overhead. Let's take a look at what's happening though first with this more region-wide zoom on Storm Scan, which does show you that we have had in the last few hours a handful of pockets anyway of showers and thunderstorms that have come through. We showed you the video earlier in the broadcast of the storms that rumbled through the city, and there's more on the way. So leading edge of all of this, working its way swiftly through western Pennsylvania. What I think may end up happening though is a break in this line. So not everyone will get hit by this. That's almost always the case when it comes to severe storms, but I want you to be weather aware, as we say. Keep checking back with us. Make sure that you know what's going on out there if you plan to be out later on this afternoon. You can still see this large system still has some organization to it. Core circulation is far removed, well off to the north and west, but this cold front again, that's the name of the game. That's what's got to get through before we can say we're out and out of the woods with all of this. So that front's going to clear. Tomorrow looks awesome, and we end up with some pretty nice conditions heading into the upcoming weekend as well. But there is a fresh system that's going to try to cross here heading into the second half of the typical weekend, so Saturday into Sunday. And that is what may trigger a shower or even a thunderstorm on Sunday, but it's going to be a hot day on Sunday. Let's take a look, though, at just what happens from here through the rest of the afternoon, okay? So this is just one model's interpretation of it, but anything that does come through is relatively spotty and scattered. It's later this afternoon, basically the time of the typical rush hour. Now, I know we're coming up on a holiday weekend. Some of you might have already tried to hit the road early. Just keep it in mind that this is the window about 3, maybe 4 p.m. until as late as 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock at night that the brunt of those storms would come through. So you notice they're scattered in nature, but where they come through, they could be some pretty nasty ones. So I'm not ready to rule out any one of these threats today, guys. Lightning and heavy downpours are the primary issues, but you've also got a moderate risk of strong wind as well as some large size hail. And I can't rule out a tornado. I would love to do that for you. This is never a guarantee, obviously, but that's why I say stick with us. Make sure that you know what's going on out there. Hopefully we don't have to report anything, but it is a pretty decent chance, so as we showed you with the enhanced risk, that we see something out there today in the form of a very strong storm. Wind speeds at the moment aren't harsh. They're not too bad just yet, but anytime these storms start to rumble through, they could bring with them some pretty gusty winds. But you've got a pretty sustained wind right now down in Wildwood, 20 miles per hour there. I mentioned that we've got some sun out there. You can see it overhead in Bethlehem. Very nice beginning to the afternoon. It won't stay that way. You had rain earlier this morning and some thunderstorms. I actually caught some lightning a couple of times in this camera during the morning show. So don't be shocked if fresh rounds do come in. We're not out of the woods again, not until tomorrow, guys. And that does bode very well for Summerfest festivities starting tomorrow, kicking off the series here with a beautiful start to the holiday weekend in Ocean City. And if you're a Pocono person, I'm a fan. It looks like a really nice upcoming weekend there too. Save for that spotty shower that you're going to see on Sunday, maybe a rumble of thunder. All in all, I love that I can promise you some sunshine, and that's not just for the Poconos, that's for the shore, that's for the city. No matter what you got going on, have outdoor plans, you know, keep them because it looks good. Sunday's a hot day though. Look at that. We're going to flirt with 90. Just a stray shower storm though, all in all, that day.
It's not bad.
The rest of the weekend looks pretty awesome.
It's, you know, sometimes it's hard to get the weather to cooperate on a holiday weekend, so it's nice to see
good timing,
overall.
Mama Nature.
Gonna be nice. All right, thanks, Katie.